we have developed industry standard compact spice model for gallium nitride transistors. Gallium nitride transistors are widely used for high frequency and high power applications. High frequency applications include space applications, defense applications, even 5G, power amplifier, base station, etc. The power applications includes like USB charger, even the electrical vehicles. Compact model is a concise mathematical description of a semiconductor device. Once devices are made in the foundry, we use the measured data from these devices to match it with the compact model's behavior, and then we use it for circuit design. Once the parameter extraction for a compact model is done using the measured device characteristics, it is ready for circuit design. The ASM-HEMT SPICE model is one of the two world's first industry standard models for gallium nitride transistors. This model is the key enabler for making first time right design and also leading to faster time to markets, thus saving time, money and energy in making gallium nitride HEMT based circuits and products. The ASM-HEMT based PDKs can be used for a variety of applications for RF and power applications. In RF, for example, in the 5G applications, it can be used to design power amplifier. The model provides accurate behavior and matching with DC-IV capacitances, S parameters, and even the high power characteristics like P out versus P in, power added efficiency. We have a state-of-the-art device characterization facility at IIT Kanpur, where we can do DC-IV, large signal, small signal, RF characterization. All the measured characteristics of semiconductor devices are used to validate and extract the model, which is finally used in the circuit design. The industry standard ASM-HEMT SPICE model is already commercialized and is available in variety of commercial EDA tools. The model is being used by almost all the semiconductor companies in the world to design the gallium nitride based circuits. The model is, for example, available in AWR's Microwave Office, Keysight's ADS software and parameter extraction tool ICCAP. The ASM-HEMT model is enabling the design of accurate, efficient and reliable circuits based on gallium nitride transistors for both power electronics and RF applications. Power electronics market includes USB chargers, converters, etc. The RF market includes the recently introduced 5G technology, even defense applications and also space applications. The gallium nitride technology is an emerging technology. The market is several billions of dollars and it is just a start. It's going to have exponential growth in near future. We are working with large number of semiconductor companies to help them design the PDKs, which is finally used in circuit design. We are also working with ISRO and DRDO to enable the PDK development for their indigenous technologies.